Welcome to the Tech Radar Pro podcast, where today we're looking at Intel's latest development in quantum computing. With Intel's new quantum software development kit, developers can write software for a quantum environment, then simulate it on standard computing hardware. This means that the complicated and expensive quantum computers can become accessible for all kinds of developers and experimentation. And Matsura, Director of Quantum Applications and Architecture at Intel Labs, explains that this kit will advance the industry by creating a community of developers that will accelerate the development of applications, so they are ready when Intel's quantum hardware becomes available. So why is quantum computing so important? Quantum computing utilizes the principles of quantum mechanics, such as particles existing in two places at once, and objects being connected and entangled no matter the distance, to solve complicated problems which regular computers would struggle to do. This could have huge implications in everywhere from everyday computing to science, medicine and encryption. Since quantum computers are in their early stages of development and are incredibly sensitive, they are difficult and expensive to access. But Intel's SDK provides developers with a virtual representation of one. It's written in C++ and is easy to integrate with existing applications. It also has a back-end, Intel Quantum Simulator, which can simulate 32-qubit systems. Intel is committed to advancing the quantum computing field, and with this SDK, developers of all kinds now have the chance to play around with a quantum computer from any location. So make sure to stay tuned for all the latest news on quantum computing and how it will change the way we use technology. And for all the other news, like and subscribe to the Tech Radar Pro podcast.